Welcome everybody to this daily update on Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience and saving your time. Like and comment below your thoughts and subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this. Let's go ahead from a monthly time frame on gold here. We can see that now, as anticipated the other days, that we will have a bearish continuation on monthly after breaking these highs and failing to keep the bullish momentum. The weekly, after this weekly candle in this rejection whole area here, that as you can see, this is a whole rejection area where price just tapped and went through to the downside. And after this weekly bearish closure previous week, we anticipate this week to continue to the downside. On the last video that we made an update, we saw that on a daily candle we have our candle formation, which means that the next candle will mirror this one. So this one mirrored the previous candle before the hour candle formation, which is very like quite high accurate setup. And now we're approaching this support from a daily perspective, and we need to check for continuation for sells. We need to this candle to flip to continue to a downside, but I don't see that happening because of the fact that is a Friday today, end of the week, and the weekly potentially will close like this, and then maybe the next week can roll over if we break these lows. Let's go on a 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour, price has found a support close to these support areas that we can see to the left side. Price has found the support. We have a clean traffic to the upside, so we have made the low. We need to find somewhere resistance. I believe technically should be this area over here to retest this low, to have a retest the low formation setup. But however, this 4-hour has our candle formation. This for the next 4-hour hasn't break the highs or the lows of the previous 4 hours, so it's an indecision candle. So it's failing. Let's go to the 2-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame is just here, not showing weeks of weaknesses in buys. The body of the candles are just making higher, smaller and smaller, and now this on the first 5 minutes of this. 1 hour candle price just shoot to the down, on the price just failed to break these highs, and then we're just inside this range at this point. So we need a breakout to the upside here for buys, or a breakout to come back inside the range for sells, or a continuation for sells if we break these lows to retest this low right over here. It's quite tricky because we can just be in this range. We can just be in this range the whole time, make a breakout to the ups, to the downside, come back inside just like over here. So we need to be very cautious today. However, I will be looking for sells below here or buys above here. I will not trade inside this range, where I'm also gonna make some alerts. So price will I will have notification whenever price comes to this area to check more on that. But breaking these lows here I would anticipate a continuation to the downside. Let's go on GJ from a monthly perspective. Monthly is now starting to move bullish. Surprisingly, after this previous month with no wick at the bottom, we can make a wick, and now we're flipping bullish and continuing to down upside. Weekly has no wick at the bottom and just breaking the highs of the previous week after this resistance confirmed here, never breaking these lows, just changing the trend in a very surprising way. On daily time frame, we have this support, we have this resistance right over here, which price needs to break above. We didn't break the previous day's low. Yesterday closed quite weak in bullish, but still closed bullish. This 4-hour candle just smashed through this resistance confirmed here. We retested this level again, and now we never broke this low. So technically price is just making higher highs and higher lows here, and we're making now new higher highs, so buys should be good above here. We just need a confirmation on smaller time frames to take a buy, and actually the price has already moved quite a lot, so it's due to a correction so we're not gonna be very impulsive for these buys, but this is a nice area. Let me check to the left side. Yeah, the left side is like quite far, I guess. Yeah, there's no data to the left side, so it's gonna be very, very tricky to do anything on GJ today because of the fact that price has already moved. How much we moved? We moved 40 plus 60, we moved 100 pips already today. That doesn't mean the price cannot move, but it's due to a correction. We need a correction. Let's see on smaller time frame the last correction we had here. So I'm expecting I will expect some resistance to form here potentially, and then on the break of the highs of resistance to take buys, or if we have a deviation come back inside the range, confirmation again that this is just a stop hunt of these levels, of these stop losses that are here, and then roll down to the downside. Maybe I will take them some sells, but this is very tricky. Sells would be better below this level. Below this level we have this clean traffic which we can mirror. Other than that, I don't see very good setups on GJ. So today potentially I'm not gonna take any trade, I believe. I don't see anything clear. Buys, it technically buys here. Buys already are gone. Should have been here or here. But yeah, let's see. Let's see if gold gives us some nice sells here. If we have some nice sells, we can have this candle here and then potentially some movement to the downside, but I don't see that happening because it's a Friday. But with New York Stock Exchange open at 3:30 my time here, or at 9:30 Eastern, maybe we can have some trades. But let's see, keep in mind there's two levels on gold: closer above and break of the highs we have buys, closer below break of the lows we have sells. On GJ we have closure above, so we need a resistance to form on smaller time frame to take buys, or come back inside resistance form to take sells to clean this traffic to the left side. But sells, technically safer sells are only below here. Not anything below here, above here in this region, sells are very risky, so please be cautious. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, support the channel, and I see you guys tonight on the daily roundup to see what happened in today and then what happened the whole week. Bye bye.